In this video, we're going to be taking a look at how addition is related to subtraction. For this one, we're going to be bringing back our sweets. You'll probably remember from before, if we had 6 grape sweets, 5, 6, and 2 cherry sweets, we could write it like this: 6 plus 2 equals 8. I've put together a collection of 6 and a collection of 2 to give us a collection of 8. So this collection of 6 and the collection of 2, which has given us a collection of 8. There are 2 subtraction number sentences that are related to our 6 plus 2 equals 8. Let's have a look. We could have 8 subtract 6 equals 2. If I had my collection of 8 and I took those 6 away, I'd be left with 2. And the other one is 8 take away 2 equals 6. Can you notice that we have the same numbers here? I could have this collection and that collection, making a total of that collection, 6 plus 2 equals 8. Or I could have the total collection 8, take away the 6, and I'll just have 2. Or I can have the total collection of 8, take away the 2, and I'm left with 6. The 3 number sentences are related to each other, and we can use the addition ones to help us solve the subtraction ones. For instance, if I know 6 plus 2 is 8, then I also know 8 take 6 will have to be 2, the missing number. Similarly, if I know 6 plus 2 is 8, then 8 take 2 must be 6. This is another way that we can practice, and it'll help us get even better with our subtraction. Let's have a look at another example. Emily has 7 coloured pencils. She lost 3. How many does she have left? Just like we did before, we're going to highlight the important information. Emily has 7 pencils to begin with, and she lost 3. We are looking again at a subtraction question. We could write it as 7 take 3 equals. Now from our subtraction number sentence, we're going to find a related addition number sentence to help us solve it. 3 plus what other number equals 7? If we've been practicing our part whole, we'll know 3, and the other number that makes 7 is 4. 3 plus 4 is going to be equal to 7. Therefore, 7 take away the 3 part will leave us with the 4 part. And we could check it with blocks. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 blocks to represent her 7 coloured pencils. If we lose 3, 1, 2, 3, we're left with 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. So we've done it correctly. Since we got asked the question to begin with, we should finish by answering that question. We got an answer of 4, and we could write Emily has 4 left. Let's have a look at another example. Tim has 9 apples. He gave 3 to his sister. How many does he have left? Okay, start off with, let's underline the important parts of the question. He has 9 to begin with, and he gave 3 to his sister. Because we're taking part of a collection away, we can use subtraction. 9 take away 3 equals. And once again, we're going to solve this by writing a related addition number sentence. 3 plus what other number is going to be equal to 9. If you know all the combinations of numbers that make up 9, you're going to know 3 and 6 make up 9. Therefore, 9 take away 3 is going to leave the other part 6. We'll finish off by answering the question. Answer: Tim has 6 apples left. And that's how we can use addition to help us solve subtraction. Have a go at the attached activity, and I'm going to see you in the next video.